I'm Kevin Parrott, known to many of you as the conductor. I am also the visionary and founder of the Florida Gospel Music and Arts Fellowship of the National Convention of Gospel Choirs and Choruses, a great convention. We, the board, staff, volunteers, and members are humbly proud, excited, and honored to unveil and to present to you the Sound of Gospel Awards and Recognitions. Notice, it does not say gospel music. The word gospel in its original meaning is good news. Our mission is to uplift, recognize, celebrate the sounds of good news in both the church and community. Now, many would think and ask, what makes this different from what's already present? I'm glad you asked. SOGAR, the short name for the Sound of Gospel, is a competition and has been around since 2001. We will present the Battle of the Choirs, church, community, or college, and the Battle of Church Bands with cash and product prizes. In addition, we will recognize good news members of our communities. And for the 2017 categories, they will be the best church and pastor and the best funeral home. Now that you've not heard of before. Also, the highest award for that evening will be the Conductor's Excellence Award, which will be awarded to Elder Isaac Ruffin. So, there you have it, the Sound of Gospel Awards and Recognitions, also known as SOGAR. And by the way, is a German word, but translated in English means even. Now, how coincidental that is, that the good news can come from both the church and the community. Now, get ready, tune up those choirs and bands, and let's get ready to blaze the stage on Saturday, September the 9th, 2017 at 5 o'clock p.m. at the Palladium Theater in St. Petersburg, Florida. You can visit right now the website www.thesoundofgospelawards.com and find more information on the competition qualification, nominations, voting dates, the prize category, and that whole weekend schedule of events. We are excited. But the hottest news is you can purchase your tickets today. Please note and understand that all tickets are handled by the Palladium Theater box office. There will be no walking tickets, meaning when the box office closes the event as sold out, there is absolutely nothing the conductor or anyone else can or will be able to do. All tickets will be handled through the box office. So don't wait. Get your tickets today. You can do that through the website or by visiting the theater box office. Again, we the board, staff, volunteers, and members of the Florida Gospel Music and Arts Fellowship of the National Convention of Gospel Choirs and Choruses. We are excited and we are honored and we're looking forward to celebrating with you in 2017. I am the conductor and I approve this message.